Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a $10,000 per month faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools. All right guys, so yes, making faceless channels that generate up to $10,000 a month in 2026 is actually quite possible. And many of them are powered by free AI tools. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can build one of them. So how you can build a faceless channel that generates up to $10,000 a month. All right. So your first step, or which is always the most important step before you even get into creating a YouTube account or setting up your YouTube, is basically picking a high CPM faceless niche. This is one of the most important steps as the niche you select determines how much profit you're going to generate. It also determines how much effort you need to put in. Now, you don't need entertainment. They need the value. That's your viewers. They actually need that value. So, some of the best faceless niches we have are AI tools and tutorial videos, finance and money tips, motivation, tech explainers, luxury and facts, productivity and self improvement, as well as the occasional entertainment. As you know, entertainment is what really sells on YouTube. The basis of YouTube is meant to be an entertaining platform as well as the platform where you can learn. So, and YouTube is a search engine. Believe it or not, people actually use YouTube to search, but more on that later. Now, the next thing is finding a viral video idea with your free tool. Basically, you can use the YouTube search algorithm to simply find your video idea. Like now, let's say you're a footballer or you're an entertainment channel and you're looking for what to post or what to create, depending on where you're looking at it from. Now, you could go with the usual text messages, the usual comments, and just simply search on something on YouTube. Let's go with how to, because this is the most common. And now when you simply search, the YouTube suggestion panel that comes out of this search is what you can now use to curate your videos. So you can use the YouTube search suggestions to curate your videos. You can even use the YouTube search history here. You can use this to simply curate your next video. Now, moving on to this, another thing or another way you can find a viral video idea using some free AI tools or tools in general is the Google Trends. So, with a simple search on your Google Hub or your Google search, you can just simply search for Google Trends. And now you can use the Google Trends, that's the platform, to simply find viral video ideas for your free tools. You can use it to find viral ideas for your free tools. You can use it to find viral video ideas. Yeah, you can actually make use of this. You can actually use the Google Trends platform to simply find your next video ideas, as well as the vidIQ. That's the free version of vidIQ can be used for it. All you need to do is just type in vidI. Just type in vidIQ and you'd find it, so you can get more subscribers and views. They are a software company that helps you unlock faster YouTube growth, and it's an AI powered YouTube optimization and analytic tool, so you can get personalized insights, boost views, and grow your channel smarter. Now, your next step to having a faceless channel that generates up to $10,000 per month is writing scripts with free AI. So you can use free AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud, that's the free tier, to simply prompt it to keep your scripts short, make you sound natural, and hook viewers within the first 5 seconds. As a hook is basically what you're going to be using to keep your audience and have audience retention on your content. Now, moving on, another thing you can try is creating videos without showing your face. Yes, in some cases, as a faceless channel, you may be required to show your face at some point, but also always try to create videos without showing your face by using stock clips, screen recording, and text-based visuals. So you can screen recordings and text-based visuals. And then you can now edit this, or you can edit this piece of content with CapCut or Canva. Yes, you can make use of Canva in some cases, like using Canva to design your channel's thumbnails. You can use them to get something catchy. To do this, just head over to canva.com, click on the home section here once you've signed up for Canva or once you sign in. Click on the home section, head over to templates, and simply search for YouTube banner or thumbnail. All right, so moving on to the next step is getting an AI voiceover. So some of the best or highest channels, that's highest retention channels on YouTube, make use of AI voices for their content, basically. So you could just simply search for something within the realms of AI, and some of the top channels that deal with AI would actually make use of AI voiceovers. So also always try to keep that in mind, or you can use your own voice. That is an option that is available to you. And now, the next thing is uploading. So make sure you have an upload schedule, as uploading onto YouTube is one of the best ways to keep your viewers hooked. When you update or upload regularly, people tend to see your content more often and would want to engage with that content. So this is where the uploading schedule actually matters. So mix your long form content with your short form content. Just try to keep your viewers on their toes all the time, and then optimize them by using simple thumbnails, curiosity titles, and clear descriptions. So always try to keep your volume and quality at the peak. And last but not least is how you can get monetized. So monetization comes easy to people on YouTube. When you just click on your profile, head into your YouTube studios, head over to YouTube studios, that's the creator studios. Once you're on here, you can then go over to activate or become a YouTube affiliate marketer. Basically, YouTube pays people for, you know, posting and hosting of their links, affiliate links. You can check this out when you head over to the earn section of YouTube, and you become part of the YouTube earners program. That's the YouTube creators program. So when you click on earn here, you can begin earning when you cross, I believe it's 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers, and then you can get monetized and your channel can start making some money. And another way to get some income is through the YouTube AdSense, as well as affiliate links you can be posting, and also digital products and sponsorships. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about building a $10,000 a month YouTube channel. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.